Yo, what's good everybody? Bass Drop Keys, your friendly neighborhood Negro. And in today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing and setup of the Vivosun AeroWave A6 clip-on fan. Now there's no secret that the Vivosun clip fans used to be terrible. I remember when I first started growing a couple years ago, I got one and it basically lasted for a month, if that. Now these new AeroWave clip-on fans I've basically been using the last 3 months. It features a patented square-shaped rubber padding that securely attaches to whatever surface you clip it on, which in this case is the grow tent poles. The AeroWave is fully adjustable with 80 degrees of horizontal and 120 degrees of vertical oscillation. It uses a 20-watt copper motor that's ultra powerful with only 40 decibels of noise. They redesigned the fan from the ground up to make sure that it lasts longer and the internal components don't go through that much wear and tear now, so the fan lasts a lot longer. It's super easy to set up and use and super easy to clean. But the main thing is it's going to help circulate the air throughout your tent, and that's exactly what we need. To set the fan up, you can see it's really easy. All I did was I unscrewed that one screw, keeping my finger on the end of it so that the nut didn't come off. I lined it up with the holes on the fan, stuck the screw through the holes, and then tightened it back up. And that's all you need to do to set it up, as you can see. Now what I've done is I clipped it to one of the tent poles on this tent that I'm about to take down. On the back of the fan, it has a knob with 2 power settings. If you want the fan to oscillate, right under the top portion there, you can see that there's a button that you can pick up or push down. And that's it. That's how easy it is to set up the AeroWave clip fan. Now, as far as the price, Vivosun does have the black and the white ones available now. If you want to get one fan, it's $49.99. If you want to get a set of 2, it's $94.99. But if you click the link that's in the description, you'll get the sale price. One fan will be $39.99 and the 2-pack is $84.49 if you click the link that's in the description. So does the Vivosun AeroWave clip fan get my recommendation? It definitely does. They used to be terrible, now they're great. Click on the link if you want to get one. And until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. I'm out, guys. Much love.